Hey everyone, how's it going? So, as you can see behind me, the Mustang is now 99% done. The only thing left is a grill, but all the lights are in. You can see we've got the marker lights down below, so the brackets came in, everything's buttoned up. Everything's good. We've got heat. I guess he was saying that it also had issues where before, I think there was just an air bubble. He said that a lot of times it was taking some time to heat up. A lot of times it would blow kind of cooler air until the revs were up a little ways, then it would burst to warm. But I've just had it sitting here idling for a little while. It came up to temp. I've got plenty of heat coming out of it, so that's awesome. But there we go. Let's turn it around. So as you can see, obviously nothing matches, but we do have all our lights in there. All our lights are golden, ready to go. Turn signals all work. Marker lights are in. Fender walls are all buttoned up, and it's ready to go. So, yep, this is the result of refixing this car after however many times we've done it now. So, yeah, there it is. We'll go ahead and we'll throw an exhaust clip in just for posterity's sake. All right, so there you've got it. That's his little Mustang is all better. It's got some really weird squealing coming from the front end. Can't really tell what it is. I mean, it definitely sounds brake-ish, but it sounds weird. I can't quite figure it out. But as far as my job here, it is done when it comes to this. So anyway, thanks for watching. That's the update.